SOLIDWORKS Electrical Schematics 2020 simplifies work from system setup to final project deliverables. Looking at my reports, I would like to pass this bill of materials off to my parts supplier, but I need to make some edits first. The headers are not standing out enough, so I'd like to make the text bigger, but also add some white space above and below them. In 2020, in addition to changing text height, you can define the row height. Select Fixed to set a custom row height, or opt for minimum height to set an incremental value. I would also like to add row numbers to make it simple for them to read. Now in 2020, add rows to any report with the click of a button, making it easier than ever to get your reports ready. Row numbers dynamically update with filters and sorts or other edits, preventing errors. SOLIDWORKS Electrical is continually improving reports, making customized reports fast and easy.